down to it, man, like, because taking it for a lot of young guys, right? You get out of high school, you don't know who the smart guys are just yet.
Yeah.
It's more so later in life. So for young guys, this is advice for young guys. How can you make smart friends, mentors, but you're shy? Books, audiobooks, YouTube.
Reading, right?
Like reading, bro.
Soaking as much as knowledge as you can.
People don't understand the power of books, man. I didn't understand the power of books until like last year. Like, if your problem is you're surrounded with a bunch of losers, no one's doing anything in life, your key right here now is, okay, there's online programs, there's free YouTube videos, there's places like Udemy where you can learn anything, bro, for like 15, 20 bucks.
Right.
Like, we're living in a generation of knowledge, man. Like, people think internet's like for like idiots, but internet is like it's not just for messing around. Yeah, there's Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that, but that's a tool too if you use it correctly.
It's like a platform. Social media is a platform to jumpstart your career in any way you want, in a positive way. And it depends on if it's a positive way or a negative way for you. It's the way you look at it. It's all about perspective, right?
Yeah.
And like you said too about reading, coaching, online, YouTube seminars, stuff like that. If you have like bad friends, yeah, those options are great and they are, but it's sometimes we find it's kind of like hard to do that, like getting escapism through books, YouTube, whatever. So another way is to maybe not hang out with those people as much.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the thing.
Because then you're just spending time doing doom stuff.
You can't read the good books, and then it's like you can't go to rehab in the morning, come back at night with your juggy friends.
It doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't
right?
make sense.
So maybe
you gotta cut off the losers in your life. Man.
Yeah, you gotta.
You don't
have to cut them off completely, but I feel like you should just don't hang out with them as much. You know what I mean? Maybe spend a lot more time with yourself. Ask yourself. Maybe sit in a room and ask yourself, who do I want to be? Like, have one life, right? Like, just live it. Like, what do you want to do? What do you want to be? What's your career path? Where do you yourself doing it? And create goals. Because when you create goals, you hold yourself accountable for those goals, right? You write a goal down. You see if you reached it in that 1 year, or the next 2 years, or 3 months, or whatever it is. You didn't reach it. You hold yourself accountable, right?
Straight up.
Because you write it down, and even if you don't reach it, there's still that sense of like, I got to do better. And there's results. You either win or you lose.
You'll never get to a stage where you're like, hey, I can't go further than this, because look at people like successful people, Gary, Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone, right? These guys are still growing, right? And don't tell me you're at that level, right?
No, there's no way you're at that level where you can just sit back and relax.
Where you're done. You're never done.
You're
done when you're dead.
You're always constantly growing.
Like, at the end of the day, you're done when you're dead. But yo, this is a post I seen earlier today. That's deep, eh?
Yeah, 100%.
That's deep, man. Sometimes you have to unfollow people in real life.
Yeah.
Alright, so if that's your bummy friend or your crack dealer friend or your drug dealer friend, cut them off.